So here is a really short video on how to make your BMW lighter and save some weight by replacing the battery. So there is a bunch of options that you can go with as far as the battery replacement goes for E90. In this case, I'm going to demonstrate the difference that you can have by replacing the OEM sized battery with, I believe this is a group 47, and I'm not sure what that one is, but that's the biggest battery that fits in the E90 battery tray. So I guess the easiest way to save weight on the battery is to go from the factory size large battery to a smaller battery of the same configuration, just a smaller capacity. So as far as the size and capacity and such, there is the difference in I guess length of the battery, and that's about, I don't know, 5 centimeters or something like that. As far as the fitment goes, this battery fits just as it should, has all the same terminal layout and such, so there is no problems with installing this one in place of that battery. But like I said, this is probably the easiest way to reduce the weight of the car, but this is also the smallest gain that you can have. So I guess let's get to the point and see what the difference is. So let's get this first battery on the scale, the big one. Hope the numbers are readable. They're upside down, of course, but this one is 51.5 pounds. Probably should switch it to kilograms. Now this smaller 70 is going to be 45.6. So, and the battery is low. Well, the battery in the scale is low. So roughly the savings are 5 pounds, which is not a lot. So I guess if your battery old, then you're replacing it anyway. You can just get a bit smaller size and save 5 pounds by doing that. Also, this battery is much easier to fit into E90 battery tray because that one takes up all of the space. This one has about, like I said, 5 centimeters window access, whatever, and it's much easier to maneuver. So as far as the battery installation itself goes, it's really easy. The battery tray has a provision for 4 battery sizes installation. So I guess the engineers at the BMW had a provision to give you a choice of using 4 battery sizes. I don't exactly know why you need so many options, but it is what it is. As far as the extremes go with the battery sizes, you can use something like Odyssey PC680 battery that is so much smaller than anything else. I'm not even sure if it's going to trigger the scale. It's a 15 pounds battery. So this battery is going to give you the most extreme weight savings. This battery is capable of starting up N52 engine, and that has been verified by myself with a couple of conditions, of course. So the difference between this battery and that battery is 46 and 15, roughly 30 pounds, and that is a lot in terms of dead weight that you carry around. So here's the situation with a smaller battery. Here's how much space you gain by using a smaller battery. That size of the battery, that's the biggest that fits in these cars, and it's just from left to right, fills up all the space.